Chris from aquatech-usa.com, and today we're showing a oil-fired space heater. This is the Aquatech AT210SH, and what it puts out heat of 210,000 BTUs. On 110 volt electric for the motors and the burner motor, and it'll use either kerosene, diesel fuel, or home heating fuel. It has some extra features on here. There are the on-off switches there for one for the burner, one for the blower. You have a adjustable thermostat. And this will do an area of 10,000 square feet, and it has a 2,000 CFM blower on here, which will help the get that heat throughout that area that you're using. And we'll go ahead here and run it. You'll hear how quiet it is. Running right now, and that's the extent of the dB on it is very low compared to most other space heaters. Again, it uses the big blower, the 2000 CFM blower, to allow that you don't need as much heat in that area. So it's almost like a furnace on wheels for an area, for heating up areas. So some of the other features that it has is a high temperature limit switch, as I showed there. It's instantaneous heat. You can heat up that area 10,000 square feet within probably 15 minutes time, depending on what you're insulated and stuff like that. It's got the pneumatic wheels on there, portable kit, a stainless steel combustion chamber. The fuel tank on here is 15 gallons, and it uses up about half, just 0.6 gallons per hour. So you get, on a full tank, you'll run 9 hours on this. If you have any other questions or concerns about it, you can call us or contact us at aquatech-usa.com. And a great thing for a large area we're going to need some heating. Again, if you do need any other information on it, we can send you out a brochure or talk to one of our salespeople at aquatech-usa.com. Thank you and have a good day.